Okay, here it is. It's the next day. This is what this stuff looks like. It's very hard. You can still see the wire through it in some places. I think I'm going to carve it off with a butcher knife and then smear a thin coat on top of it and see what happens. That really pooched out there big time. Anyway, it's certainly firmed everything up here, and it'll keep the salt water from blasting into that fender anymore. So for the mighty wood hauling beater, this might be the ticket.